Alright, hey guys. This is just a quick update on the 20th to 22nd time frame. Looks extremely interesting. So it looks like there will be a storm coming out of the Four Corners area, going right along here, Texas, and then into the southeast. Once it gets in the southeast, it'll be a pretty moderate system and could bring some moderate snows, to especially around these areas. I know I did not circle that. I should have, but this is more of a northeast. But those areas we'll see probably anywhere from 3 to 7 inches, possibly. And then once you get into the North Carolina mountains, you get even more snow. You get probably about 5 to 10 inches. I would say, like, Boone, ski area is going to do fairly well with this. Once you get to about Charlotte, it'll be mixing. I think around 6 to 8 inches is possible. The Cape, this area, you live in this area, I really don't see that much snow. I really see it being mostly rain for anybody in this area. But, anywhere in this area, this isn't your storm. It's December, it's still early, but this is not your storm. Maybe even going up towards here. But, I don't know. It doesn't look likely that it'll be that cold. But it will be pretty cold. But I think snow is definitely a possibility in Washington, D.C. Right here. Could get about, I'd say, 10 to maybe even 14 inches at this point. With Baltimore, oh, that's not Washington? Alright, and this, where's Washington? I don't even know. I'm not from the Mid-Atlantic. I'm from New England, so I don't know. Oh, Washington's up there, alright. So, Washington, I think, will get about anywhere from 8 to 14 inches, 10 to 14 inches. As you go up north, probably once you get into these areas, it'll start to be, like these areas. It's really getting pretty likely that you'll see at least 10 to 14 inches. But I think heaviest snow will be right around and I'm not going to disclude Maine in this. Right across these areas. These areas, if you're in that area, you will probably see anywhere from 12 to maybe even up to 18 inches of snow. Or more or less. It depends. So Philadelphia, Northeast, and New York, Queens, Connecticut, Northern Rhode Island, Massachusetts, excluding extreme southeast Mass, Cape Cod and Islands, and excluding Long Island in a mix. Cape Cod will probably pick up a good 6 inches from this. Heading up here, I think that once you get into like these areas, oh man, if you live in Bangor or Belfast, you could get pounded with snow. You could probably get, everything plays out, you could probably get like 24 plus. This storm continues to strengthen. If you live in anywhere over here, that I'm not saying anything right now, but that you would get hammered. But that's the norm up there, I guess. But down here, that area of 12 to 18 inches, maybe more once you get into Maine. Lighter snow here as you get into Rutland, Albany, Poughkeepsie. Is Poughkeepsie up there? Yeah, no. West of Catskill, Surrenton, definitely. State College will get less, but this is going to be a big storm. I see another one coming from the plains. It's going to go like this and give snow to up there. But yeah, but there's another system where I see up in probably these regions will get the most snow. Probably 4 to 5 inches up there. For that would be into Sunday into Monday, 4 to 5 inches, and then a band of probably 3 to 5 would set up right about here, and then 2 to 4 so on. But this is mainly a New England event, so anywhere really south of that line is not going to get snow. Not very much. Anywhere along the coast. But then there's another one that does not look too good. It looks like it would be tracking more like out to sea. That'd be around next Wednesday. It looks like it's going to be going like this. It brings some precip. Oh, wait. It's going like this. Bring maybe 1 to 2 inches. In these regions, so if you live on the coast, Richmond, Philadelphia maybe, New York, Long Island, Cape Cod, you could still see some snow with that. But I'm just gonna look at some weather models. I think the Euro's having some issues today, let's say that. Because They have this storm just. The Euro ensembles have some pretty good snow. So, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.